What's up, Mavericks? If you're running a business today, chances are you're not sitting at a desk all day staring at spreadsheets. You're answering emails on your phone, approving payments between meetings, and trying to stay on top of your finances wherever work takes you. That's where cloud-based accounting actually matters. It's not just a buzzword, it's a real way to stay connected to your numbers without being tied to one computer. Xero is built around that idea. It's accounting software that helps you manage your business finances anywhere with real-time access and smart automations built right in. Today, I'm breaking it all down to show you what Xero can do for your business. So let's get into it. Xero is cloud-based accounting software that's built for small and growing businesses. Instead of installing software on a single computer, everything lives online so you can log in from anywhere to track and manage your finances. Xero has everything you would expect from accounting software like invoicing, expenses, bills, bank reconciliation, and financial reporting. But what really sets it apart is accessibility. You don't need an accounting background to understand what's happening, and you don't have to wait until the end of the month to know where your business stands financially. With Xero, everything updates in real time, so when a payment comes in or an expense clears your bank, you're always looking at the most up-to-date numbers. There's no more exporting files or emailing spreadsheets back and forth with your accountant or financial team. So let's talk about what Xero actually can do in your day-to-day operations. For money that's coming in, Xero lets you create and send professional invoices, accept online payments, and track what's been paid and what's still outstanding. You can also set up repeating invoices, which is ideal if your business gets paid through retainers, subscriptions, or ongoing client work. Xero also supports quotes. You can send a quote, get it approved, and then convert it directly into an invoice without re-entering information. On the purchasing side, Xero also supports purchase orders so you can track commitments before the bill even arrives. For money going in and out, Xero tracks bills and expenses all in one place. You can enter bills manually, upload documents, or pull transactions straight from your bank. Once everything's in the system, you can see what you owe, what's due, and what's already been paid. If your business sells internationally, Xero supports multi-currency accounting. You can invoice and accept payments in different currencies, and Xero automatically updates exchange rates so your reports stay accurate without manual adjustments. Finally, Xero also includes basic inventory tracking for product-based businesses. You can monitor stock levels, costs, and what's been sold. Now, this works best for businesses that don't need a full inventory management system. But Xero does go beyond the basics, especially when it comes to bank reconciliation. Xero connects directly to your bank account and credit cards, pulling transactions automatically. It then matches those transactions to invoices, bills, and expenses inside the software. So that usually means you're just doing a quick review and approval instead of spending time on manual data entry. And it doesn't stop there. Over time, Xero learns how you categorize transactions. So if you're regularly paying the same vendors or receiving similar deposits, it starts suggesting matches for you. That automation reduces errors and saves a lot of time. You can also automate invoice reminders, recurring bills, and payment follow-ups. You won't be chasing clients or forgetting to record expenses because Xero handles those tasks in the background for you. If you want to learn more about Xero's automations, be sure to check out our video, How to Automate Your Bookkeeping and Save Time with Xero. That's linked in the description so you can see these features in action. Now let's talk mobility. Because Xero is fully cloud-based, you're not stuck behind a desk in your office. And while some accounting programs have mobile apps that miss the mark, Xero's mobile app is actually pretty strong. Xero's mobile app does more than just show you the numbers. From your phone, you can send invoices, record expenses, approve bills, and check cash flow. You can also capture receipts by taking a photo and attaching it directly to a transaction, which makes expense tracking fast and easy. The app is easy to use and well reviewed by users, and it's available for both Android and iOS. What's great about the Xero accounting app is that everything syncs instantly. So whether you're traveling, meeting clients, or just stepping away from your computer, your financial data stays up to date for you and your financial team, no matter where you are. When it comes to reporting, Xero gives you access to financial reports that actually help you understand your business. You'll get real-time profit and loss statements, balance sheets, and cash flow reports. You can customize reports, compare time periods, and drill into the numbers to see what's driving performance. Xero also helps track sales tax and generate tax-related reports, which make it so much easier to stay organized when it's time to file your tax returns. If you want a deeper breakdown of how to read and use these reports, be sure to watch our video, How to Read and Understand Your Business Financial Reports. I've got that linked in the description for you. For businesses that work with contractors, Xero also supports 1099 tracking and e-filing. You can mark vendors as 1099 eligible, track payments through the year, and electronically file 1099s through Xero's integrated e-filing options. And that obviously makes tax season a lot more manageable without having to export everything to a separate system. And another great feature that Xero has is fixed asset management. You can track things like equipment, vehicles, or large purchases, and Xero automatically handles depreciation over time, so your reports are accurate without the extra manual work. If you already work with an accountant or bookkeeper, Xero is built for collaboration to keep everyone on the same page. The software lets you set role-based permissions so everyone works from the same data set in real time, which cuts down on emails, file uploads, and version issues. Xero also integrates with a large ecosystem of third-party apps like payroll systems, payment processors, inventory platforms, and reporting tools. This lets you build a setup that fits your business while keeping your financial data centralized. So what does all of this cost? Xero offers tiered pricing based on your business size and needs. As you move up the tiers, you get access to more features, more invoices, and more flexibility. The pricing is designed to scale with your business without forcing you into enterprise software too early. We always recommend checking out current plans and promotions to get the most current pricing. At the time of filming this video, you can save 90% off your first 6 months just by signing up through the link in our description. So if you're ready to start, don't miss out on that discount. Xero is a strong fit for small businesses that want flexible, cloud-based accounting with automation and mobility. It's great for service businesses, consultants, remote teams, and owners who want visibility without micromanaging every transaction. If you work closely with an accountant or bookkeeper, Xero's collaboration tools make that relationship much smoother. If you only need very basic invoicing, Xero might be more than you need. But if you want clarity, automation, and access to your finances wherever you are, it's definitely hard to beat. Xero gives you a modern way to manage your business finances without being stuck at your computer. With cloud access, smart automation, mobile tools, and built-in collaboration, it's designed to fit how businesses actually operate today. Running a business is already demanding, but Xero makes it easier to manage your finances wherever work takes you. Shout out to Xero for partnering with us for this video, and don't forget to check out our other videos to learn more about what Xero can do for your business. Thanks for watching today, Mavericks. I'll see you in the next video.